beat you.
No, I'm gonna beat you.
No, I'm gonna beat you.
Oh, you wanna fight?
We're at Sawmills Veteran Disc Golf Course,
We are gonna be playing the orange layout or the mini loop,
which there are all par 3s,
and it is 9 holes.
Enjoy the video. We're doing the twin
Rivalry.
It's hole 1. It's 160 feet.
And it is a par 3.
Let's get into it. I'm going to be throwing the envy. Oh, that's good.
All right, I'm gonna be throwing the J. Yeah, it's not bad. Not bad.
For birdie. For par. Par. Yay.
Welcome to hole 2. It is 100 feet, par 3.
I'm going to be jump putting this, or at least putting it, maybe. Oh, great. No.
All right, I'm gonna be throwing the Mirage. Oh yeah, nice kick.
Oh.
Stop. Hopefully it stopped at a good position.
For birdie. Get down.
Oh yeah, continue rolling.
I am going to try to make this. Oh man, come on, man.
For birdie.
Come on. Yes.
Okay.
Yay! For bogey.
It's hole 3, 122 feet, par 3. We're gonna throw the Mirage. Hit the tree, hit the tree, hit the tree. Yep, I've never said that in my entire life.
I'm from the Meteor.
Oh.
Bro, that was the skinniest. For birdie. Oh my. Oh, good kick.
For par.
For par.
Welcome to hole 4. It is 107 feet.
Par 3.
All right, I'm throwing the J.
So low. I am going to throw the Canyon from Trash Panda.
For birdie.
For the birdie and to tie. Let's go.
par.
Hole 5, it's a par 3. It's normally 100 feet, but there's trees down because of Hurricane Helene, and we're playing it from 75 feet. 8 turn chance. Okay, that's a good pick.
Okay, hopefully I can make that putt. Alright, for birdie.
For birdie. Let's quickly change this up because I'm not putting it in. Go. Hole 6,
96 feet, par 3.
we're throwing the envy. Oh man. Oh, that's a hard spot.
Alright, we're throwing the Mirage. Hit a tree, come on.
I'm throwing my steady at, and I'm probably going to go to the old school way. That I cannot. I'm in jail if I do that. Oh man, no. Yes. Wait. And it just parked because it rolled. Oh yeah.
Okay, good enough. For par.
Bruh. For par. Oh my, I almost said put. Let's go.
For bogey.
Hole 7,
111 feet, par 3.
I'm going to be throwing the Trash Panda Canyon.
Skip. Park.
Let's go.
Alright. We're throwing the heat.
$20 if she aces. I don't want to lose money today, please. Oh my.
You could hear that. Alright, for birdie.
For birdie.
For par.
2 strokes. Hole 8,
150 feet, par 3.
throwing the canyon.
Skip. Stop throwing good shots.
About to be 3 strokes.
Unless you miss the putt. Yeah. We're gonna ace it with the Mirage. That was really bad.
I'll flip.
Oh, it's stuck in the tree.
It's stuck in.
Was I roller it? You want me to roller it?
Yeah. Or do whatever you want to.
We're gonna try to. I'm gonna try this. Are you ready?
Hmm?
Yeah, that.
Sit. Now sit.
Oh. Oh shoot. Oh no. Oh no. I can't see.
Well, I'm cooked.
For par. Come on, make this, please. Oh my.
That was really bad.
Oh. Oh my.
The fact that I
Oh
almost
my.
made
Oh my.
for birdie. For another unfortunate bogey.
Just tap it out. That's
Be
4
quiet.
strokes. That's quiet. Oh 9.
110 feet, par 3.
Going to throw the Gorgon. Turn. Oh. Yeah, roll.
Roll back. Come on. Come on.
Okay.
Come to mama.
That should be good.
Ready? All right, I'm throwing the Mirage. Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. We're parked.
For birdie. Come on. Oh.
Yeah, roll.
No.
Yeah, roll. 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 For birdie.
Okay, it's for par and for the win.
Yeah! Let's go! Come on! Come on! Come on!
Okay, so I won by 3 strokes actually, cause I parred that one, I think. Yeah, I parred that one, and she birdied. And I was thinking to myself, hey, how about do a celebration? You know, like do a celebration about beating you. And so yeah,
Seriously, you don't need to do that. Unless you're giving me $20, then you can do that.
Yeah, you have to ace first, buddy. It's okay.